Yeah. Okay. We're recording.
Hey, what's up, guys?
I'm right here.
So yeah, Julia's in my room. So what happened was, on the other episode, Julia was a monster secretly, and she kind of died because she didn't get
No,
this
that's
guy.
episode. You know what happened.
Yeah, we died. I mean, she died, but I was living, and so we're gonna take this perspective from here, cause she died. And you don't want to see Julia just being in a lobby, you know? That's boring. There's one last task I have for you.
What?
Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Me.
Fine. Go.
Run.
No. You're closer. Go.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I guess I'm flying the plane. I got this. Everything is fine.
Oh, hell no!
Is it me?
Oh no. Nope, it's just a monster.
It's
I'm
red.
too big to see him.
Yeah, maybe that's why he's so mad. Blocking you.
You humans are funny.
I actually caught uniform.
You destiny have already been written.
Oh, yay! What
What
is it?
Last chance, Master Chief Man 557 or 577. Crash this plane and we rule the underworld for all eternity! Can I just kill him?
No.
No. I'm not doing it. I'm saving the plane. This plane. You humans are so weak.
No, we're not. We're just being smart. It's the boat.
This is not the last time you see me.
No!
Whoa.
Oh yeah, you're right. It isn't the last
Is
time.
that it? Okay, so we got it. It's gone.
Yay!
Okay. Let's see.
Wait. Yeah, I thought it was airplane 2 and 3.
Yeah. What did he mean?
I don't know.
Who cares?
Who cares?
That's what he said. Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Don't throw up on my lap, please. Yay!
Well, you guys, it's gonna end the video for here. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.
Okay. Bye!